Hey guys, welcome back. I am in such a good mood because I am reviewing the Hello Gorgeous hair care system from Naturalicious. If you're not already familiar with Naturalicious, they are a black owned company and they're best known for their 3-step hair care system consisting of 3 products that are formulated to shorten the amount of time it takes for wash day. Now, a lot of people are talking about this product saying it only takes them 30 minutes for their wash day. Now, y'all know it typically takes me about 5 to 6 hours. If you didn't know, now you know. But it normally takes me a long time in the shower alone. So I want to try this out for myself and see how much time it really shaves off of my wash day. So first, I'm going in with step 1, which is the Moroccan Russell 5-in-1 clay treatment. Now this product has a shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, detangler, and leave-in conditioner all in one bottle. So this bottle here basically does the work of 5 products and it's going to act as a detoxifying cleanser. So when I first saw the word clay, I automatically thought it was going to be like a very thick consistency, but to my surprise it was actually quite runny and it was pretty easy to spread. You just have to work it in there. Then y'all know I'm big on smells, so as for that, it just kind of smelled like clay, not like Play-Doh or anything, but it just had like a clayish smell, but it didn't stink though. It just smelled like clay. I was really amazed with how well I was able to finger detangle with this product because when I first applied it, I was like, because it does have a clay base, so therefore it doesn't have a ton of slip, but you can clearly see how easily my fingers are just gliding through, which is amazing for one bottle. So there's something in this that just makes it work and pulls it all together. So for my whole head, it took 57 minutes, which isn't bad, even though that's not 30 minutes. That's pretty good because I do have pretty long and extremely thick hair. My hair is almost tailbone length. So I do think that cut off so much time because I was still able to apply the product throughout all my hair and finger detangle, which normally takes me several hours. And to keep it real, the only downside I had with this product was that I wish it was just a little bit bigger, only because I did end up using most of the bottle, but I think that also goes back to the fact that my hair is very long and thick. So if you have shorter hair and it's not as thick as mine, then you should be fine, and it should last you for several applications. Now, I was also surprised when I rinsed out the product because when you apply it, it does feel kind of watery and very lightweight. So I didn't think that, it was really going to make my hair feel like a normal conditioner would. But when I rinsed it out, my hair was very soft, very moisturized, and pretty much tangle free. And my curls were extremely defined. For step 2, I'm going in with the Moisture Infusion Styling Cream, which is a moisturizer, styling cream, and heat protectant. And it smells really good. Now this product contains coconut oil, sunflower oil, shea butter, and vitamin E, and it's going to take place of all the products you would normally use to style your hair. Then to style my hair, I did flat twists in the front, and I did 2-strand twists in the back. For step 3, I'm going in with a Divine Shine Moisture Lock in Frizz Fighter. And this smells really good, just like the moisturizing cream. And you can use this different ways. You can use it as a hot oil treatment, a frizz fighter, a moisture lock or sealant, or a finishing oil. And it's going to stop frizz, brittleness, and split ends. So we have lots of definition and shine. So yeah, these are my final results. Overall, I really loved this hair care system, and I truly do feel like it cut off so much time off my wash day. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.